Hello everybody, my presentation today is on June Watson's theory of philosophy and science of caring. Overview of the theory. Health is referred to as an acceptable level of overall physical, mental, and social function which allows the level of daily functioning that is generally adaptive in maintenance with the absence of illness or the presence of efforts to promote the absence of illness. Jean Watson viewed the human being as a wholesome entity that should be valued and cared for, respected, nurtured, helped, and comprehended, which qualifies him or her as a fully functional individual. The nursing model believes that nursing is designed to promote health, prevent illness, promote care to sick people, and restore health to people with health issues. Watson believed that healthcare should be holistic because it is central to the process of caring in the nursing practice. Watson's definition of nursing implies that it is a human science of individuals and the experiences of health and the illness mediated by the human satisfaction involving professionals, personal, scientific, aesthetic, and ethical interventions. Overview continued. Watson's curative factors dignify the human aspect of work of nursing and the measures of satisfaction felt by people who receive care, which contrasts conventional medicine's curative factors. Jean Watson's model contains similar steps as does the scientific research process, which includes assessment. This requires the formation of hypotheses after identifying, observing, and reviewing a health problem. The next step is a plan of care which will enable care providers to decide the criteria for measuring and examining variables and the proper data to collect. Intervention is the process of carrying out the care plan and collection of data. The final step is the evaluation, which involves analysis of collected data, interpretation of outcome, which will help in securing more hypotheses about a health problem. How Jean Watson's theory addressed diabetes management. Jean Watson's model compares well with Healthy People 2020 because both emphasize the importance of providing healthcare with respect, understanding, and without discrimination. Jean Watson's notion of health included the prevention of illness and respectful care for people with disease. This is in line with the part of the Healthy People 2020 objective to prevent diseases such as diabetes mellitus among the groups that are at risk, example blacks, and to properly control blood glucose among people with the disease. Healthy People 2020 went further to form a partnership with the Diabetic Advocacy Alliance to achieve its objective of disease prevention and promotion of quality care to diabetics. Jim Watson's view is that every human being should be valued, respected, and cared for. This agrees with the Healthy People 2020 objective of lowering or eradicating healthcare disparity in the management of diabetes among different ethnic communities. The partnership of Healthy People 2020 and the Diabetic Advocacy Alliance is implementing diabetic care plan that included culturally sensitive strategies, protocols that are structured for the disease management, use of services of diabetic educators, and adequate involvement of nurses in healthcare provision and other healthcare professionals to achieve the desired management outcome among diabetics in African American community. Here are my references. Thank you for your time.